Google recently launched its own AI code editor called Antigravity. Along with that, we are getting Gemini 3 Pro in a generous pre-tier limit. Using this AI editor, we are going to create Flutter app. It's financial AI app. Let's see the demo first what we built. Here you see I opened the iPhone simulator. We will see the total balance, monthly spending and our recent transactions. We will also get financial AI tips based on our income and spending data in this app. For this AI feature, we are using Gemini's API key. It will analyze our data and give some valuable financial advice. For this spending analysis page, we are seeing a monthly spending breakdown. For an example, the food and rent. Along with that, we can able to ask a detailed plan for an AI using this button. Like you see here, it totally analyzed our data and given back to our own unique financial plan. Like you see here, everything is in a pop-up format, everything in a clear, nice layout like the table. Based on the full analysis, it also gives back us a projected saving of $190. What it means, it just recommending us the few steps to take in order to save $190 per month based on our own data. At the same time, we will see the goal screen like vacation fund in a particular date. Based on this vacation fund goal, it will give us some unique financial AI recommendations. If you see the interface of this app, it is very basic Flutter UI. With just one single prompt, we change the UI from this to this. We just carry forward the existing functionality but just update the user interface. Like you see here, the recent transactions and the Google Gemini API key where we can able to place and to enable the financial AI feature for our app. We can also interact with this AI in a live chat. Since it has our own financial data, we can able to ask whatever we want. It will give back our own unique guidance for it. For example, here I am asking, how can I save $10,000 in next 3 months? It analyzes the complete data and give back as a unique response of the plan to save $10,000. To create this app, first you have to install the Flutter properly. If you do so, I'm pretty sure you already finished the 50% of the work. The reason why we are using a Flutter because we can able to build and serve Android, iOS, macOS, web app, Linux, Windows, all in a single code base. Okay, now let's see how we are creating the Flutter app in Antigravity. First, we need to create a master prompt for this project. For that, I am using a ChatGPT to generate a master prompt. Like you see here, my app is my folder name. For that, I explained the simple details about what my apps should be capable of. I explained every details as a requirement of this app. Like users have to enter the Gemini API key by their own, and based on that, it will analyze the financial data and give the financial plan of it. And it should give back us our own unique financial data plan. I also mentioned about the beautiful UI UX, and I mentioned these are the needed scheme for our app. Like you see here, it gives a master prompt, and I'm going to copy it entirely. I already opened my app folder in Antigravity, and I'm going to give this master prompt at the first time. My app is just a basic folder. When you install the Flutter, you just create from the command prompt for my app folder. It just gives us back a basic app with a counter of when we click a plus, it will increase the count. That is a basic app. If everything runs smoothly, then we are ready to create our own app. Like here, I am pasting the prompt and mode is planning mode, and the LLM model is Gemini 3 Pro, which we are getting generous free usage limit along with this anti-gravity code editor. Like you see here, the task list, it's defined itself based on our master prompt. It analyzed our master prompt and created a chunk of work and assigned to itself. It also complete each task by task while doing the process. We just want to sit and watch. Like you see here, while we speak, it finished some tasks and checked it. As I said, this is a default app. Like when you click the plus, it will increase just count. It's just a starting point app. Like you see here, it's building each and every pages and every features. For the first time, I ran the command and I opened the macOS since it's available device. This is why we are using the Flutter for now, because it can able to build Android, macOS, iOS, Linux, web versions and Windows version. For now, this app is working fine in a macOS. Now let me check about iPhone. Like you see here, it's open properly and I have to give allow for the first time. Like you see here, the total balance, AI and recent transactions, everything is there. So if I go inside the spending analysis, we can able to see the food, fun and rent based on our spending habits. We can also ask the AI for detailed plan, but if I click on it, it is asking the Gemini API key. For that one, we have to copy and paste our Gemini API key, which is a free API key generated from your account. So I copied the Gemini API key and I am giving allow paste in this field. I enable the dark mode. Everything is loading fine. I just back to the white mode just for a checking purpose. We pasted Gemini API key. This is a crucial step. If you are already a developer, you know about what this AI making the mistakes. For an example, here it uses 1.5 version of Gemini, but it is not available at the moment since the current active versions are 2.5 and the latest release of 3 version. If we don't know about these details, then AI is going to create repetitive error. If we do the repetitive error, it may break the existing code base also. So that's why I'm saying having a developer mindset, these tools are really useful. We can able to build a production level app if we know the code fundamentals and already we have an experience of writing a code. For example, I just copied the exact error from here and pasted into the anti-gravity. It's again giving 1.5 version. Since I know about this particular thing, I am again mentioning Gemini 1.5 is already discontinued. I am mentioning anti-gravity again. Gemini 1.5 is a discontinued version. So I am going to give the latest version is Gemini 3 Pro preview. So I mentioned that command, it again searched on a web and confirmed yes, the current version is Gemini 3 Pro preview, and now it's implemented properly. See, once it's fixed, it's now working fine. For now, we see another issue. Now you see the hash for headings and double star for a bold. These all are not properly formatted for easy to understand human mindset. So again, I am going to copy this format and mentioning this is not the right format. We have to make it the proper text hierarchy. So I am entering again to make it the more reliability improved version. Now it says it's implemented the proper formatting for it. Let me click the button again. Now you see that format is everything is perfect now. Titles, bolds, tables, everything in a clear format. Of course, the table we can able to make it a horizontal scroll, but for now the first version is fine. Further, we can able to improve by giving the further prompts. Like you see here, based on our existing financial data, it gives the projected savings if we change our slight financial decisions. For now, I just want to improve the user interface because this is a default Flutter UI. Any developer can able to easily understand this is developed from the Flutter UI, right? For that, now what I'm going to do is now take the double screenshot. I searched financial mobile apps. This app screenshot looks fine, so I just copying it. So I just pasted the anti-gravity and giving a prompt for entire app redesign based on the attached screenshot user interface as a main inspiration. Between, I just want to make sure that other functionalities are working just fine. So it's currently building on the right side. Let me open the financial AI assistant. I'm asking a simple question: how can I save $10,000 in the next 3 months? So give me detailed plan based on our own data. It is also giving a detailed analysis of it. Of course, this text format is also not look nice, so we have to give the further prompt to improve, just like what we did in a spending analysis page. Dark mode and light mode, everything is working just fine. But here I am just accepting to move forward. Sometimes we have to give some permissions to the anti-gravity to take the next steps. So everything I accepted. In a terminal, I found some of the errors. I just copied and pasted to the anti-gravity. It's currently fixing it now. So now the complete errors are fixed and I run the app. Now you see the app total user interface has been changed. This is why I am saying Gemini 3 Pro is really effective model. It can able to understand based on our screenshot and applying the design principles based on it. It is not just understanding the text prompts, it's also understand the screenshots that we are giving. Let me see the core functionality now. Even though user interface is completely changed, we can able to scroll effectively. The recent transaction is working fine. For here it says the scan, but it's a chat. Of course, we can able to give the further prompt to change those names of the navigations. Instead of the code, it gives the card. Of course, we can able to fix in the further prompts. The same settings available here with a different UI. I just enable and disable. I can able to paste the API key. At the same time, we can able to export our own financial data using the CSV export file. Like you see here, we completely build our financial AI app using the Flutter. Like I said, this is not just a single platform. We build a multi-platform app at the same time using the anti-gravity code editor. Whether it's a Mac OS, Windows, Linux, or mobile OS like Android or iOS, even it can open as a web app in a browser. Everything we build in a single code base. At the same time, we included working condition AI. Within 10 minutes, we build this app using this anti-gravity free AI code editor. In upcoming videos, we are going to build a WordPress website, Mac app, or main core feature from the popular paid apps. If you like the process of we created a Flutter app and integrated AI features in this video, make sure you like this video. Subscribe my channel if you would like to see more upcoming anti-gravity videos that we build multiple apps and websites. If you have any specific feedback or the app or the website you would like to create, comment your idea below. We will also cover those in upcoming videos. Thank you.